ahead. Cause you know, hold on, I'm gonna tell you right now.
And it make you cry? So what a white onion mean?
You got purple.
I hate the purple onion.
You got the yellow. That's like the one that we use for like chicken.
Is I supposed to peel this?
You can just cut it in there. When you cut it, the outside part.
Oh. I don't even like this. Okay.
You got sweet, red. See, you got white. That's good for Mexican dishes and grilling.
Who said the Mexican grill?
That's what they say right here. That's what the white one good for.
Okay, I'm gonna try to. Okay, here you go, right here. Y'all want to see this part?
Yeah, you got shot this guy with all that shit.
Hey.
Get that first one out.
Huh? And dice these motherfuckers up. Ooh. Is that gonna cry?
Yeah.
That's what it's supposed to do? Alright, that's enough of that.
Good.
I got it. And they too damn big.
Might be the night.
They too damn big. Alright, that's enough.
Cooking network crazy, eh?
Alright. They so big though. Alright, just ball them up in there. Yes, just ball them up in there. Ball them up. This supposed to be like the burger, you know what I'm saying, from the hood. When you be at the little cookout. You know what I'm saying? Don't say I ain't ever teach y'all nothing. I'm so tired of bags in my hand. I wasn't out here. I was never this. Thank you. Whenever you don't wash your hands on here, they be like, oh my God.
Really?
Yes, they be real hands. All right, bitch, it's time to get this party started, baby.
Hey, you caught the knife.
Huh?
You caught the girl.
Yeah. She put it up here. All right. So that onion in the garbage. While this what's the name heating up, this shit going in the trash. I got no meat. I don't even cook onions. What? I don't cook nothing that requires. I don't fuck with onions, so I don't cook with them. Dang, so get it out the trash.
Yeah.
Get onion out the trash.
Nah.
You said yeah, nasty
Nah,
stuff.
I thought you said you took out the trash. Leave that bitch in there.
Alright. Hold on. It's not ready? No. That means I need to turn that bitch up some. It's back there.
This shit crazy, man.
It's back there. I'm take out some of these what's the names, make me a couple burgers. You want you a monster burger, huh? Oh, you want you a monster burger.
Yeah.
All you do is munch your little what's the names round. Make it a little patty like this. Thank you. Yeah, Toad, what's up? Yeah, that girl be cooking and cleaning and all that. That's why your house don't have no man. You know why? Because you bitches can't cook. Bitches ain't worth it. You bitches ain't worth it. All right. Y'all hoes ain't worth a fuck. Yeah. Too many onions. So who can't cook, babe? Watch. You better see. Marlon, they say you don't cook nothing but Alfredo, babe. They tired. The niggas is tired. They say all you good for is Alfredo. No, I don't stand on couches. And I stand on couches and drink liquor at nighttime. During the day, I'm at home cooking for a man, babe. That's the problem. Y'all had these men running these streets out here that be hungry. No man ain't finna get left behind out here. Huh? Hey, that's right.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, yeah, like I forced you to say that.
You gave me that little look.
What's wrong with you? What's the name? Yes, my man want a monster burger. Y'all know what that is? A monster burger. All right. This how I supposed to look, boo. When y'all take me a picture.
You know they is.
Thank you. I don't play in the kitchen. I don't play. I slay, babe. Marlon, what's up? Let me tell you something. I hope you home cooking. I hope you don't come out no door tonight and ain't fed no men. I know we not doing that. Huh? What? Marlon had it going on? That's what I'm saying. You think it be me, it be her.
It be y'all.
No, it don't be me. I sat still, babe. And one little spot, my little mini dress. Marlon, you see what she... I was like, girl, sit down. Bitch, that hoe had ants in her pants. I was like, bitch, what the fuck wrong with this phone? Man, you see her going back and forth?
Yeah.
Marlon ain't even sit.
All over that bitch.
I ain't see that bitch sit down one time. Damn, girl.
That bitch aligned the ropes and was all across the bitches. I was like, damn.
Man, I ain't see that punk sit down damn time. Okay. What kind you want?
I don't even know.
Yeah, you get these. Cause you try to get these because you think I don't know how to cook no French fries. you thought I was gonna season them at it. Oh, that's so motherfucking crazy. You thought I was gonna season them at the end, so you try to go cook themselves already seasoned. But you get these right here, man. Yeah. Bam! There you go. It's right. Oh.
Got that damn on.
Let's turn it down.
Got that damn on.
It's on medium. Deep fryer. What's too much water? Mama, what the fuck you mean when I'm cooking the fries first? No, I was saying I was gonna cook the fries last. I just want to see. I'm just trying to see if y'all know what the fuck y'all doing. Yeah, because everybody know you're supposed to make the hamburger first. They ain't cook the hamburger. Everybody know they're supposed to cook the burger first. You're supposed to cook the burger. Yes, hamburger make us so hungry, so all you gotta do is just slap them up on there. Thank you. It's enough room on the pot. We can do about 3 burgers. Yes. You hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah. While the burger's cooking, girl, start them fries. It ain't gonna take long. Start them fries. Hey, baby, this your kitchen. You do this. Welcome to Do What You Want Rappers, babe. I don't play that.
Jump a bike out the mother.
My bad. Yes, it's going down in the kitchen today, babe. Want some chili cheese fries or you just want them regular?
Oh, man.
All right. Oh, my spatula. Y'all hungry? I'm selling dinner. Yeah, let's give it Miss Netta a job.
What happened?
Huh?
What happened?
No, I was saying. Oh, yeah. Oh, all right.
You turn that shit down, man. You know what else? It's good.
Oh, yeah.
It's good.
There you go. Press them out a little bit. Make sure you cook them in the mirror. Yes, yes. Turn it down. Turn it down. Turn that shit down. Turn it down. Tell her to turn it down.
Yeah.
Why the fire so big, huh?
You gotta turn it down.
I did.
No, you turning it up.
Oh, I am?
Look. Go to the left. Yeah, go to the left.
Boy, it's so low. Huh.
You can tell me that there was 2 knobs. You got a knob for the front and a knob for the pocket.
Open the door.
Get your phone.
Open the door.
You got the L on it. Put the L, look, yeah.
Huh?
Just the front right here. Look.
What?
Where that shit at, man?
What? It's right here. Y'all, it's all right. Just hold on. Thank you. All right. That's just a little trick. Make sure y'all paying attention. Yes, make sure y'all paying attention. You all right?
Yeah. Full red.
I ain't no color red.
Depends on it.
Make sure the burgers get cooked in the middle. Get your little thing stirring fries round. This is going there.
Yeah, you can. Oh, no,
Yes, stir your fries right. You want to cook your fries today, so they be brown and gold. I'm gonna take out the fries at 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Take the fries out. 10 minutes. You looking sad for? It's gonna be good. You don't have to look sad. Who can't cook? Why y'all keep saying that? I don't like it. It smells good, huh? Like it's seasoned. It don't smell bad.
It smell like lard.
Thank you. It smell like lard. Yep. Press them burgers out. Make sure the burgers cook to the middle. Make sure the burgers cook to the middle. It's hot in my fan it. Not gonna be slaving in no kitchen for no man. So what you got for me? What? I didn't remember. I didn't. Ready tonight, so it's gonna be a pot soon?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. I had to get a tank top. Oh, I forgot your socks.
For real?
Yeah, fuck.
All smoke, man. All smoke.
That man long gone then.
What time he coming back?
I told him he could stay home.
Oh, okay.
That man be out all night.
All night, yeah.
And then he went and picked Burberry up for school and shit. See, that's I have my shit turned up. When the burger's gonna be finished tomorrow?
Put it on medium, like between low and medium. Don't put that bitch on hot oven.
Okay. I had put, oh, she's 10 minutes away. I had put, bitch, I did all my seeds to this motherfucking Lawry's, bitch, Adobe, bitch, onion powder, garlic powder, A1 sauce, salt, pepper, bitch, hoe. The other balcony is you gotta go through outside. It's private, so like if I want to like have people up here, they could be on that balcony without coming in my house, and then it's the bathroom right there. Well, turn that shit down a little bit.
Smash.
I did. Like your burger's a little pink in the middle.
Nah.
When the well done.
Yeah. You like yours a little raw?
No. I make my shit like that. What's wrong with you?
I think it's just ready. That's what I'm thinking.
Right.
Bitch, don't kill him.
Shit. That bitch is coming out. Y'all want me to cover them up for fucking what?
Yeah, have it cook the middle. Yeah, help cook the middle.
They shrinking, what that mean? The fries ain't burnt, bitch. Yes, the fries doing good.
What's over here? What's over here?
Huh?
What's over here?
What store? What kind of store?
I just grab some something.
What's over here? Target or something. Publix ain't got no socks. Target.
Sorry.
Yeah. That's what we fucking just there. Wait, why y'all say the fries? What's the name? They said the fries too soggy.
No.
Huh? They is.
No,
No, they not.
They ain't gonna get it. Only if you put them in there when the grease wasn't hot. Then they would have been just sitting there something like this.
Yeah, they frying, huh?
Yeah, they straight.
Yeah, bitch, I was hating on motherfucking me. You soggy, bitch. Yeah. Why y'all keep saying take out the fries? I don't feel like the fries ready though. Them bitches, ain't the color I want them to be. You gonna eat?
Y'all witnessing this shit. Motherfuckers trying to give me whatever. Don't even care.
Huh?
Come on, you gonna eat what? What the fuck that mean?
That's how you gonna eat what, man?
Whatever.
Who said that? You?
Yeah. No, you.
Yeah, you is. If I put it in your face, you gonna eat it.
As long as they don't kill.
It ain't gonna kill you, baby.
Thank you.
Yes, everybody know hamburger make its own grease, boy. All right. That's what I'm saying. Towards the end, I start getting aggravated. All right. Watch it. Y'all so messy, and I know what y'all finna say. I did raise my hands. Yes, I love Britney Spears, bitch. Everybody know that. Wait. Now, cause you know what? I think that these fries is slow cooking. They said, man, the burger coming out before the fries is crazy. I think them bitches slow cooking us out, huh?
Oh, man.
Look, right? I think they ready.
It depends on how you like them.
I love my what's
Yeah,
name?
so yeah. I'm listening, man. I'm just cooking some fries. So then you gotta stay with the cooking on.
Yeah, thank you. White refrigerator, bitch.
Oh, as appliance.
Thank you. It's not done. Oh, wait, y'all want to see the burger? Hold on. Oh, babe, I'm supposed to put the cheese on here right now while it's hot. Okay, hold on. After you what's today? Turn the grease off the fries to cook. Oh, okay. I did turn the grease up. Cause bitch, I ain't know what the fuck. Once you take your burgers out, Bree. She better be. Better keep that door open. You want a hamburger or a cheeseburger? You want like cheese on? All right. What you doing up there? Huh? No, she ain't just like me.
What you?
And then when they end up standing in the face and all that. 7. What the fuck you got all C's and D's? I don't like that.
You think school is school? You think school harder here?
That's what I don't know where the fuck my mama get that from. School is fucking school, like you said.
School. They love teaching the same shit everywhere you go.
Yes. All right, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. The fries getting a little burnt. That's my phone? So what's the difference of cooking the things like this?
They cook faster through the middle.
I don't got no air fryer. They keep saying the fry's done, so just take them out.
You want them?
This is my motherfucking kitchen. This do what you want. Rap.
You don't want them.
All that thing.
Yeah, them done.
What's done?
Them done.
Yeah, now they done. Want to put it like on the plate with the fries?
Put it on.
Yeah. Don't act like you helping us out, 'cause you ain't doing shit. I don't want nobody take credit for my
That's why I ain't touching nothing.
I don't want nobody take credit for my
So
meal.
when I say that shit nasty, I want to be able to.
Why would you think it's gonna be nasty?
I want to be able to tell them the chest. I know that ain't nasty.
Yeah, with that attitude, you ain't getting nothing. Yeah, that's what the fuck I'm talking about. Why a bitch was doing all that. I was telling the fries, that's crazy. The burger came out before the fries. Hey, baby. Put the pounds in the trash bag. Gucci do the dishes. Don't nobody fuck with my kitchen, baby. I don't want nobody to fuck with my kitchen. Yeah. I probably should have made some on fries, huh? Ain't none but a handful.
Know what that means?
You got 2 burgers. This ain't no burgers and chips. This burgers and motherfucking fries, soft ass hoe. Y'all want some? I'm selling dare nuts. Burgers and fries, $15. 2 cheeseburgers, a handful of fries. $17 worth of Coke. $23 for delivery. Only Buckhead only. Buckhead only, babe. Y'all want to see the fries? Oh. Thank you. These are your fries. That's how I put it the last time. Sprinkle your little seasonings. Salt across the top of your fries. Make it pretty. Lay your little pepper on there. Fries good to go. You can eat now while the the rest of the burger's cooking.
Alright.
Yeah. You should supposed to feed a man first or the kids. Now who said that? Oh wow, look what a place. Damn, that's what the fuck I'm gonna get for real. I forgot. What kind of Fuck that shit down. What kind of bar you want? A poppy steak
I don't
or?
want that. No seeds on that bun. That's what y'all in it. That's crazy.
Yeah, don't talk. Oh, they talking. Oh yeah, the fries ain't look bad. Yeah, how?
That's it.
And they ain't cold.
Y'all trying to cook on the phone.
Okay, so I got 2 burger options. You want? You want one of each? Yeah. Okay. So one of the burgers come with ketchup. Oh, Randy, I'ma call you. I forgot. Hold on. Ooh, one of them burned. Hold on, bitch. Let me call that my side nigga. Hello. Huh? Nothing. Huh? You finna pull up, boy? You finna come here? When you coming? I'm finna go. Okay. Huh? What you said? Uh, what happened? Huh? What you mean? I'm finna go. I'm finna go to the studio. You coming? It's the studio party. Alright, what's the name? Now I'm finna say the address to the studio. Why you finna come see your brother? I'm finna go to the studio. Okay. Alright. Alright. Heard the boy say he finna come here. He can't come here. He can't come here. He can't come here. Where is Mitch? Oh, punk, now you don't want to answer? I'm finna go. I'm finna go.